Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on how to prepare for NEET or AIPMT exam. Today, we'll be discussing the steps you need to take to prepare for the National Eligibility Entrance Test, NEET. Preparing for NEET can be a challenging task, but with the right strategy, dedication, and hard work, you can achieve your goal and get into a top medical college in India. Know the exam pattern and syllabus. Exam duration is of 3 hours and 20 minutes, in which you have to attempt 180 questions out of total 200 questions. It is an offline MCQ-based test of total 720 marks, out of which if you score 650 above, then you can get to a good medical college. Marking scheme is as follows: 4 marks for correct answer, -1 mark for wrong answer and 0 mark for no attempt. Syllabus for all 3 subjects, physics, chemistry, and biology, are as follows. I am passing the slides quickly. You can pause the video and take screenshots. Start preparing early. It's never too early to start preparing for NEET/AIPMT. Ideally, you should start preparing at least 1 year before the exam. This gives you enough time to cover the entire syllabus and also to revise the important topics from both class 11th and 12th. If you like the content till now, then please give a thumbs up. It will keep me motivated to post more similar videos. Now let's move to next section, which is study material and reference books. The next step is to get the right study material and reference books. The best books for all 3 subjects, physics, chemistry, biology, are as follows. I am passing the slides quickly. You can pause the video and take screenshots. Make a study plan and stick to it. Write down the topics you want to cover during the week and try to complete your daily or weekly targets. Your timetable should be flexible so that if any subject or topic requires more time than allotted, or when a test is scheduled for the next day, you can manage. This way you can also allocate some time for revision and practice as well. Practice is the key to success in NEET. You need to practice as many questions and mock tests as you can. This will help you improve your speed and accuracy and also identify your strengths and weaknesses. Top medical colleges in India where you can get admission with your NEET score. I am passing the slide quickly. You can pause the video to watch and note all the colleges. Pro tips. Segregate the syllabus into easy and difficult topics according to yourself. Break down the topic into several parts and learn one by one. Visualize things. Draw diagrams. Translate the complicated words into plain simple language for better understanding and learning. Avoid reading from multiple sources. During the preparation, the NCERT textbook should be considered more. Aspirants should note that topics like human physiology, plant physiology, reproduction, genetics, and ecology require more attention. In order to improve the speed of attempting NEET questions, attempt more and more mock tests. Analyze your performance in these mock tests regularly. And the most difficult task: stay away from social media such as Facebook and Instagram or any other distractions as much as you can. This does not include WhatsApp and YouTube. That doesn't mean you can chat all day or watch non-useful content. It's the time to stay focused and not waste any time. At the last, very importantly, stay healthy and sleep properly. While studying, don't ignore your meals and take regular breaks. So, these are the steps you need to take to prepare for NEET exam. Remember, preparing for NEET requires dedication, hard work, and a strong foundation in biology, physics, and chemistry. And all your hard work will land yourself into a good medical college in India. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more career guidance videos. And press that bell icon to never miss a video from Don't Forget It.